Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change home screen wallpaper on Android. If you want to change home screen wallpaper, so you just need to follow these steps. The first step is that you keep a long press on an empty place and then select wallpapers. And here you can easily change your home screen wallpaper. And if you won't get it here, so you can easily change it from your phone settings. Just open your phone settings app and here scroll down and look for display and brightness or lock screen and wallpapers. Here's the two options, so we are getting the second option, and now then select the wallpaper, and here you can easily change the phone's wallpaper. As I'm going to change this one, so just tap on it and then tap on apply and then select home screen. So that's how you can easily change home screen wallpaper on Android phone. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next video, bye bye.